Hello children, how are you all today? Are you ready for today's class? Should we start? Okay, so let's say our prayers first. Begin with Guru Brahma. Come on. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Now, I'm special. Come on. I am special. I am special. God made me. God made me. Someone very special. Someone very special, as you can see. As you can see. So children, you all are really very special. You should know that. Yes or no? Now, which day is it today? Excellent. Yesterday was Wednesday. And today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. And I know that you all are having fun because when you send pictures, when your mama sends pictures and your papa sends pictures, we are also loving it, seeing you all doing the nice activities. Enjoy them, do them, and learn new things every day. Okay, children? Now, it's time for weather song. How is the weather today? Weather today, weather today. How is the weather today? Is it cloudy or bright? Are you feeling hot or cold? Hot or cold? Hot or cold? Are you feeling hot or cold? Won't you tell me today? Children, since the rainy season is here, sometimes it rains, so we feel nice and pleasant. But when it doesn't rain, what happens? We feel hot. We feel hot. Yes? Okay. So by now you know how to take the call for the weather. You know how the weather is. You can see outside the window and check the weather every day. Yes or no? Okay, great. Now children, it's time for us to start our day. And since today is Thursday, every Thursday we have literacy. What do we have? Literacy. And last week in literacy, we revised letter A and letter B. What does letter A say? Ah, ah. What does letter A say? Ah, ah. And what does letter B say? B, 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 b. Very good. So you remember the sounds of these two letters? So now it's time for us to gear up and get a new letter to class. Do you know which letter it is, children? You want to see which letter is going to come to class? Letter C has come to class. Come to class. Come to class. Letter C has come to class. Let's all say hello, letter C. Say hello to letter C. Yes. Can you see your children? Letter C is not come alone. Mama letter C has come with baby letter C. And Mama and baby look same. Only baby is small. And Mama is big. Big, small. Yes? And they look same. Same, see? Yes or no? And they've got a friend along with them. Who is this friend? Let us see, who's this friend? Tell us. Let us see is saying this is a friend whose name is, you all know this friend. Yes. C says, you know when you make the sound for letter C, the sound will not come from your mouth. It will come from your throat. You have to say, C says, Cat. Cat. C says cat. Very good. Now letter C has come. Letter C, do you have only one friend? Is it only one friend? No, I have many friends. Would you like to see my friends? Nursery children? Yes, yes. What do you say, children? Should we go and meet the friends of letter C? Come on, letter C. Let's go and meet your friends. Come on. Letter C. C says k, k, k. Let's start and see the friends of letter C. C says k, 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 cat. C says k, 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 cat. C says k, 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 camel. C says k, 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 camel. C says k, 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 cow. C says k, 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 cow. C says k, 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 cookie. C says k, 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 cookie. C says k, 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 can. C says k, 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 can. C says k, 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 goat. C says k, 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 goat. C says k, 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 cut. When we cut something with the scissors, C says k, 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 cut. C says k, 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 car. Can you see you're a car? C says k, 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 car. C says k, 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 cap. We all need a cap in the hot summer sun. C says k, 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 cap. C says k, 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 cake. Yummy cake. Don't you like to cut a cake on your birthday or just eat a cake any day? C says k, 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 cake. So let's quickly revise all the C friends. C says k, 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 cat. C says k, 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 cow. C says k, 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 carrot. C says k, 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 car. C says k, 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 cake. And last, C says k, 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 camel. So children, now will you remember all the letter C friends? So now let's go and learn how to write letter C. Okay children, did you like all the letter C friends? And did you hear the song for letter C? No? Let's hear this song for letter C. Can you sing along with me? I'll first sing the song and then you also sing along. Okay? Now the sound of C is coming from here. You can put your hand here and say okay? You'll feel the vibration like your phone vibrates. You have that feeling that you can feel because the sound you have to make it from your throat. So C says k, C says k. And the action for letter C is k, k, k. You know what you're doing? You're clicking castanets. You know what are castanets? Castanets are musical instruments which you put it in your palm and you bang them. You bang them on each other. That's the sound it makes. So that's the sound which comes from the castanets. Okay? So the song is we are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets. Okay, children? So that is the song for letter C. Let's go and see the letter C song, after which we will revise all the songs from A to C.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ah, ah, answer my arm. Ah, ah, answer my arm. Ah, ah, answer my arm. They're causing me alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Buh, buh. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
So children, now you revised all the songs from A to C. What does letter A say? And letter B says B, B, B. And now which letter came to class? C says. Now you know all your songs. You know all the sounds, right? Now it's time for us to learn how to write our letter C. But before we write it on the slate, which I'm going to show you right now, we are going to write it in the air. In the air means remove your pointer finger and pretend you're writing in the air. Okay? So take your pointer finger out and make letter C. So we start from up and we will go down. C. 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 What does letter C say? The voice is coming, the sound is coming from the throat. So children, remember that. Okay? Now I have my slate here. Okay? Now on the slate, I'm going to show you how to write letter C. So y'all can just see here. Okay? So after doing the letter C formation in the air, I'm going to show you how to write letter C on the slate. Now always we start from up. And I've made the dotted lines for you to see how I'm joining on the slate also. We'll go down, and then turn it in. Can you see? This is letter C. C says K. C says K. Okay? So after learning how to write letter C, now it's time for us to put pista shells on our letter C. So your children, I have got my box of pista shells. Okay? Now as we've already told you, you can use whatever you have at home. Now I have a slate, so I'm writing it on the slate. If mama is putting it or drawing the letter C on maybe a paper, then you can use a paper. And if you don't have pista shells, if you have beads or you have counters or any other objects which you can nicely place, even kidney beans or other things, it could be anything, even dice if you have. So anything, whatever you have, it is just about tracing it in the right formation. So this is our letter C, and do we start from down? No, we start tracing it from up and we go down. So in the same way, when we take our pista shells, we'll use our Mr. Thumb and pointer, pick up a shell and start placing it. Now, when I'm placing my pista shells, so easy. I finished it. Done. Is it? Is it the right way to do it? Yes, children? Can we trace like that? No, this is not the right way of doing it. Can I put pista shells so far? No, I cannot. So what I have to do is I have to put my pista shells close to each other so that I cannot see the line below. Here in this case, you cannot see the white line. If I put my pista shells, only my pista shells will be seen, or whatever I'm using to cover it and the formation to make the formation. Can you see here how I'm doing it? I'm not leaving a single gap, and from up I'm tracing the curve down, and the letter C is coming. See the formation. Now I can see my letter C. So slowly each pista shell you have to pick up, and you have to put it on your slate so that your letter C is done. So children, can you see now? Now once your letter formation is also done in this way, if it is on a slate, your mama can easily give you a star like this. Yes or no? And if you do it so neatly, you get a shiny star like I got a shiny star. Yes, I am so very happy. So please do your pista shell formation like this on whatever paper, with whatever thing, with pista shells or almonds or counters, and then call your mama and or papa and ask them if it is correct to give you a star like this. So children, let's do our letter C worksheet. We did the letter C tracing in the air. We saw the formation on the slate. Now it's time for us to do the letter C worksheet. Now if you see the letter C, it looks something similar to the patterns what we have done. Yes, it is the left hand curve pattern. Yes, only one curve we have to do, but this curve goes slightly inside. Okay, so take your crayon. Always remember the 3 fingers for your crayon, that is a tripod grip, and hold your crayon, and always all the letters will start from up, not from down. You can't trace from down and come up. You have to go from up to down. So we are doing a left hand curve pattern. Slowly on the dotted line we will trace our letter C. Now one is over, but can we only do one and keep it? No. If you're getting tired, what you can do, how many lines are there? See, 1, 2 and 3, and in each line how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can do one thing. You can trace 4, take a break, then come back again, trace the other 4, then take a break again if you want, come back again and trace the other 4. Okay, but children, you have to do it on your own. Mamas are not going to hold your hand because you're very smart children. By now you know how to trace. So let's go on and trace our second letter C. On the dotted lines, nicely, slowly, and done. Again, let's go to the third one. C says K. C says K. So nicely, neatly, we will trace our letter. Now my one line is over. Now if my hands are paining, I'll take a break here. But if it's not paining, why not finish it all? So teachers are going to finish it all together. But very neatly we have to do. We don't have to hurry. We have to join our dots and nicely and neatly trace. Can you see how teacher C is looking? Your C also has to look like that only. Don't be in a hurry, because if you hurry, your C's will run here and there and they will not look like letter C. They'll look like a funny letter. We want to make good pattern. We want to write the correct formation of letter C, and the C is looking nice. Yes or no? Because if you trace it right on the dotted lines, your C will look exactly like teacher's. Now we have finished 1, 2 lines. Only one more to go. Wow. Let's finish it. And what does letter C say? C says K. C says K. And what is the picture on our worksheet here? C says K. K, K, cup. Okay. So as you're tracing, you can just go on saying C says K. C says K. C says K. And what is the song for letter C? If you want, you can sing along also this song. But remember to join nicely, neatly, slowly the dotted lines and finish all your letter C's like teacher has done. So can you see, your children, how teacher has traced it? Yes or no? And once you finish it nicely like teacher has done it, Mama will give you a star over here. Wow, lovely, isn't it? So please do your worksheet nicely, neatly, slowly, taking a break maybe, but finish it and then ask your mama to click a picture and she can send it to us on Friday. So happy tracing, do it well.